Hello, welcome to the class of Biochemical endocrinology. My name is Leonard Yatich, and I'll be taking you through this course. Welcome. This is concerned with the human endocrine system. Uh, First, there's a cut 1, which is scheduled for Tuesday, 21st July 2022, and anyone who will not be sitting for the cut on this date needs my approval if duly appropriate. Only before the due date. I hope that's clear. Now, under endocrine system, we are going to look at hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a small gland located on a stalk hanging from the base of the brain. It is sometimes called the master gland. Its primary function is to control the other glands, which produces many hormones. Secretion is controlled by hypothalamus in the base of the brain. The hypothalamus integrates endocrine and nervous function. The secretory cells of the hypothalamus produces hormone, which are the releasing hormone and inhibiting hormone. Releasing hormone stimulates the anterior pituitary to secrete hormones, while inhibiting hormones prevent anterior pituitary from secreting hormone. So they oppose each other. This is an illustration whereby this signifies the hypothalamus part of the brain. This is gonadotropin releasing hormone, which stimulate uh, gonadotropes to release luteinizing hormone, and FSH, which is follicle stimulating hormone. They elicit their effect in testes, and there is inhibition uh, a pathway which acts upwards. The pituitary gland is divided into two areas which differ in structure and hormone secretion. The two segments are posterior pituitary, which stores and secretes hormone produced by the hypothalamus. It produces oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone, which are both short peptides of 9 amino acids each. Oxytocin makes a site of action at the uterus and mammary glands, where it induces uterine wall contraction, that is the action in parturition and sperm transport, and also ejection of milk, that's milk let down. ADH or vasopressin act on arterioles and renal tubules and causes elevation of blood pressure and also water reabsorption. Anterior pituitary primarily regulates other endocrine glands, as we have said. That is TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, normally T3 and T4. Secondly, growth hormone, which promotes growth, uh, acts as anti-insulin and promotes fat metabolism as opposed to glucose metabolism. Adrenocorticotropion or corticotropin (ACTH) stimulates the adrenal cortex. Follicle-stimulating hormone, as in FSH or Norvary, main function is growth of follicles with LH, secretion of estrogen, and ovulation. There is also luteinizing hormone (LH), ovulation, formation of corpora lutea, secretion of progesterone and androgens. And lastly, prolactin, which uh, its main function is proliferation of mammary glands, which facilitate milk laydown. Growth hormones, GH, uh, it is a protein. It stimulates the growth and metabolism. Secretion is regulated by hypothalamic hormones and acts directly on tissues or acts via growth factors. Growth hormones hypersecretion in children causes increased growth rate and can result in gigantism. This is a condition uh, which can result in tissue overgrowth or any other part of the body. Conversely, growth hormone hypersecretion in children result in stunted growth and result in pituitary dwarfism. In middle age, growth hormone excess can occur causing acromegaly. Acromegaly is an extension of gigantism. It is a condition in which the cartilaginous tissue proliferate, resulting in distorted overgrowth of extremities. Treatment of GH deficiency in children can be by an inhibition of recombinant GH. I hope you remember recombinant proteins. One of the applications is here, or the growth hormone releasing hormone. Excess production of GH due to somatotroph adenomas. This is actually a carcinogenic entities which can be surgically treated by irradiation. Prolactin, as we have said, it is a protein and it stimulates milk laydown. Secretion is regulated by hypothalamic hormone. Gonadotropins is a glycoprotein. Another gonadotropins, there is FSH and LH. FSH stimulates production of sperm, uh, while luteinizing hormone LH stimulates ovaries and testes. Secretion is also regulated by hypothalamic hormone. Melanocytes stimulation hormone (MSH). It is a peptide, and it may play a role in fat metabolism. Endotropins is also a peptide and inhibits the pain perception. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for attending the class. We shall meet next.